Hi, home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making a fresh cherry sorbet.
This recipe is proof that simple ingredients make the best desserts. This recipe only takes 4 ingredients for a smooth, fruity sorbet that's naturally dairy-free and deliciously refreshing.
This frozen treat is elegant, refreshing, and can be made ahead of time. Packed with vibrant color and bold cherry flavor. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free, and dairy-free.
So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make a cherry sorbet.
To start this recipe, I'm going to prepare the fruit. Wash and remove the pit from 2 cups of fresh cherries. Alternatively, you can use 1 bag, which is about 2 cups of frozen cherries. To a small saucepot, add a half a cup of white sugar and the juice from 1 lemon, or about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to heat this together on medium-low until the sugar dissolves. Now I'm going to add my cherries and the sugar syrup to a food processor. Puree this together until you have a very smooth mixture. Now to make this easier for pouring, I'm going to transfer this into a large glass measuring cup. And to help speed up the process for my ice cream maker, I'm going to chill it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. If, however, you've used frozen cherries to make this recipe, you should be ready to go right away. Now that my pureed cherry mixture is very cold, you can add it to your ice cream maker according to the manufacturer's directions of your specific machine. And my sorbet is ready to move into a sealable freezer-safe container. I'm going to cover this and allow it to freeze for 2 to 3 hours or until set. If you want to make this recipe and you don't have an ice cream maker, you can place the chilled cherry mixture into a freezer-safe container and put it into the freezer. Stir the whole thing by hand every 30 minutes. Keep stirring and returning it to the freezer until you have your desired consistency. And my sorbet is ready to serve cold in a bowl or in a cone. This dessert is the perfect alternative to heavy ice cream when you want something light and fruity.
And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below.
It's an easy recipe that's a must-try for anyone who loves clean, plant-based treats. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.